god.
Man.
Modded square
This
button.
would have been a cool one.
Interesting lantern choice.
Yeah.
And the call station was mad at toll. Well, this originally had a digital indicator.
Where are you?
Coming. Coming? Yeah. Are you going up or going down?
Down.
Okay, thank you.
Are the guys filming?
Oh, we're interested in elevators. Yeah.
Yep, it's just a hobby. We just take videos of elevators.
I thought it was a research you're doing for Stanford or something.
You guys have a good day. Stanford? We're not that smart. Oh, there's 2 lanterns.
Yeah. Good
Wow.
observation.
Don't go to Stanford. It's got Janus door sensors. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. It's elevator number 2 here at the main building at Dinah's Garden Resort in Palo Alto, California. Another modded US square button. Smells like unrinsed booty in here.
No. See, they even know how annoying that is.
Yeah.